Hey friends, if you encounter high CPU or memory usage due to the SysMain service, then please watch this video. Now there are two cases to this one. One is high CPU usage and the other one is high RAM or high memory usage. Memory means RAM, okay? So the first one is to disable the SysMain service if it is causing high CPU usage. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the SysMain service. Now, how would you find it? This list is in alphabetical order, so it's easy to find the services. Right click on it, select stop, and let it stop. The next solution is to add RAM, and I won't even say use a memory diagnostic tool, because if it is causing low RAM, then you will simply have to add as much RAM as possible to your memory slot. And I'll tell you the actual reason behind this process. So the SysMain service is used to add apps to your RAM. Now, what can you do if if the RAM is short? I mean, you can only add more RAM. It is not that you can stop adding apps to the RAM. That is not something very feasible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.